Let's be real, getting deep, hard-hitting bass in a small car, or even a truck, can feel almost impossible. You want that low-end punch, but the moment you look at traditional subwoofers, they're just too bulky. They eat up your trunk space, and suddenly your practical daily driver turns into a rolling speaker box. That's exactly where shallow mount subwoofers come in. They're designed to fit into tight spaces without completely sacrificing bass performance. But here's the catch: not all of them are worth your money. Some sound weak, some distort under power, and some just don't deliver that satisfying low end you're chasing. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 best budget shallow mount subwoofers that actually deliver solid bass without draining your wallet. Whether you're building a compact setup or upgrading factory sound, this list will help you choose the right one. And make sure you check the Amazon links in the description for the latest deals on all the shallow mount subwoofers featured in this list. At number 5, we have the Skar Audio VS10D4. This is a 10-inch dual 4-ohm shallow mount subwoofer pushing 1000 watts peak and 500 watts RMS, with a mounting depth of just 3.89 inches. It uses a competition-grade pressed paper cone paired with a high-roll rubber surround, delivering a sensitivity of 83.7 decibels and a resonant frequency of 39 Hz. What makes this one stand out is how aggressively it's tuned for output, especially considering the shallow design. Looking at the specs and performance, it's clear Skar aimed to give you that full-size sub feel in a compact form. This sub hits harder than most entry-level shallow mounts. It's not the deepest bass on this list, but it delivers a punchy, noticeable upgrade over factory systems. Based on what most users report, it performs best in a properly built sealed box where it can stay tight and controlled. The downside? It's not the most efficient option, so you'll need a decent amp to really wake it up. This one is ideal for anyone who wants strong, aggressive bass on a budget without worrying too much about ultra-deep lows. Moving into the 4th spot, we've got the Audiopipe TS-FA800, an 8-inch shallow mount subwoofer with 300 watts peak power and 150 watts RMS. It features a frequency response from 70 Hz up to 2500 Hz, a sensitivity of 89 decibels, and a 2-inch 4-layer dual voice coil with push-style terminals. Now, this one plays a slightly different role compared to others on this list. It's not trying to shake your mirrors, it's focused on efficiency and tight bass in extremely compact setups. Compared to other options in this price range, it's surprisingly easy to power. Even a modest amplifier can get this thing moving. In real-world terms, expect clean, responsive bass that fills in the low end rather than dominating it. It works great in small enclosures or under-seat installations. The trade-off is obvious: it doesn't hit the deep sub-bass frequencies like a bigger subwoofers. But if you're working with very limited space, this becomes a practical and smart solution. This sub is perfect for compact cars or anyone who wants balanced sound without going overboard on bass. Now stepping things up at number 3, we've got the CT Sounds Hydro 10-inch shallow subwoofer. This model comes with dual 4-ohm configuration, 500 watts RMS, 1000 watts max power, and a mounting depth of just 3.90 inches. It also features a resonant frequency around 39 Hz and is designed to perform well in both sealed and ported enclosures. This is where things start getting serious. What really separates this sub is its versatility. Looking at the specs and performance, it's built to adapt, whether you want tight, accurate bass or something a bit louder and more aggressive. In real-world setups, this sub delivers a noticeable improvement in depth compared to cheaper shallow mounts. It doesn't just hit, it actually digs into lower frequencies better than expected. Another advantage is how responsive it feels. Bass notes come through clearly without sounding muddy. The only drawback? It can be slightly more demanding on your system setup. To get the best performance, enclosure design matters more here. This one is ideal for users who want a balance of sound quality and output in a shallow design. Coming in strong at number 2, we have the Pioneer A-Series TSA 2500 LS4. This 10-inch shallow subwoofer delivers 1200 watts max power and 300 watts RMS, using a glass fiber and mica reinforced IMPP cone for durability and rigidity. It runs a single 4-ohm voice coil and offers about 85 decibels sensitivity. This is a brand that's been in the audio game for a long time, and you can see that experience in the design. What stands out here is the balance between sound quality and durability. Compared to many budget shallow subs, this one feels more refined in how it handles bass. In real-world use, you'll notice tighter, cleaner low-end performance. It's not just about loudness, it's about clarity. Installation is also easier thanks to the single voice coil setup, making it beginner-friendly. The trade-off is that it doesn't push as much raw power as some dual voice coil competitors. But if you value reliability and consistent performance, this is a very strong choice. This subwoofer is best for users who want clean, dependable bass without complicated wiring setups. And finally, taking the number 1 spot, we have the Rockford Fosgate Prime R2 SD2-10. This 10-inch shallow subwoofer handles 200 watts RMS and 400 watts max, features dual 2-ohm voice coils, and comes with a super compact mounting depth of just 3.417 inches. It's optimized for sealed enclosures and includes a stamp cast basket with spider venting for better cooling. Now here's the thing, this sub isn't about big numbers on paper, it's about real-world performance. And this is where it dominates. Looking at the specs and performance, everything about this sub is engineered for efficiency and consistency. It doesn't need crazy power to sound good. In actual use, it delivers tight, controlled, and surprisingly deep bass for such a shallow design. It feels refined, not forced. One standout feature is how well it maintains clarity even at higher volumes. That's something many budget shallow subs struggle with. The only downside? If you're chasing SPL, this isn't the loudest option. But for overall sound quality, reliability, and compact performance, it's hard to beat. This is the best choice for anyone who wants premium-level shallow bass without taking risks on performance. So here's the bottom line. If you want aggressive output on a budget, go with the Skar. If space is extremely tight, the Audiopipe makes sense. For versatility and balanced performance, CT Sounds is a solid pick. If you prefer clean and reliable bass, Pioneer is a safe bet. But if you want the best overall shallow mount subwoofer in the budget price range, Rockford Fosgate takes the crown. Ultimately, the best choice comes down to your space, your setup, and how you like your bass. Don't forget to check the Amazon links in the description for the latest deals. And if this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe for more honest car audio reviews. Before you check out, leave a comment telling me which shallow mount subwoofer you find best in this list, and the one I may have missed out.